Greetings, my people from Arusha, Tanzania, East Africa. Welcome. It's a very beautiful morning and it has been raining cats and dogs. So I just want you to see what has been happening, and I want to show you some new fruits that have hatched on my compound here. I'm so happy and grateful. So let's go together, let's enjoy together to see what each day looks like when it rains. Okay, let's go. Yeah, as you can see, yesterday I complained about this, but no complaints. It's just water. Water has made this to dry up. And also this. It's too much rain that I can't even work on the soil because the soil is too wet. So it's impossible for me to do anything. I have to wait till it's calm. Then I can work on it. But there is something that I want you to see that really made me happy. You see, even the parking lot now is full of water. When I park, when I want to step down, I step on water. So it's very difficult for me now. But it's life, it's okay. I've parked it this way, so yeah, it's life. I can't complain. There is this tree here, which is also flooding. I mean, it's flooded because on the other side of this fence, there is a lot of water. You see that? I think you can see that's a lot of water right there. That's a lot of water. Maybe I showed you yesterday on this side. But here are my avocados. They are coming up, and I've already taken them down some. I'm going to eat soon because they're going to be ripe. And these ones, you see these? Wow. I've already tasted some of these. And I remember when I was young, growing up in Kigoma, somewhere there in Kigoma, we had these fruits here, and kids were breaking their hands and legs because of the sweetness of these trees. I mean, of these fruits, yeah. But anyway, I'm so happy and grateful to see my compound, as far as this tree is concerned. They are really growing up. Trees are growing up. But this water here is really confusing me, you know. Look at this, you know. And for now, the land is so wet that you can't do anything. You have to wait until the land has dried a little bit. Then we can do the landscaping, kind of, you know, trying to make some trenches. Yeah. So you see here my veggies, you know. Also my passion fruits have been coming out. So many. So I'm really so happy. Even though it's raining, but I'm harvesting. You see, look at this. Yeah, there are very many. So this season is a season for harvesting. I can say there's a lot to harvest with fruits. Yeah, because it's like my neighbor here had a lot of mangoes, as you can see right there. So it's a season for fruits to harvest, and I can't wait to have my avocado trees, all these trees to have some fruits and harvest. And here I'm seeing flowers planted. I don't know how they will go about it. I mean, will they grow nicely and smooth? But I think when I want to slash out here, it will be a very difficult thing when they plant these flowers here. But you know, women, always they have something in their mind. So, yeah, look at this water. This is very terrible water, my friend. It's terrible. But anyway, it's so love, it's so understandable because the water is there. and it's enough water. So why not won't we use the water to grow our flowers and everything? Yeah. So my people, thank you so much for being in here. I'm so happy and grateful for you guys to always come and watch my videos, you know. I'm just trying to show you how my compound looks like, and yesterday I went all around and I showed you. So let's just continue watching. You see, like, this water has really nowhere to go here. I've worked on this place so many times, but anyway. So this here is how my compound looks like this morning. And what time is it? It's 7:15 right now. And as you can see, the birds are there. They are also enjoying their life. Always, you know. Um, I normally do the live streams sometimes, showing you the birds, but not always, you know. Yeah. I had a place here where we had a lot of birds, but they have cut it. They've cut the area, so you you see few birds, but still they're there. You still see some few birds. I think you can see them right there. Wow, they're having good time right there. Yeah, so this is my street right here. You can see the birds. There's a pied crow right there. They're just chilling, you know. Yeah. Oh, I just saw a very beautiful weaver leaving right now. Ah, the problem with birds, now you see me, now you don't. The problem with birds. But anyway, yeah, this is what it is. And I just wanted you to see my surroundings this morning and remind you that I'm here. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like. It's a very short video, but I will show you when I was coming back from Kisongo town, coming back up to my home. so that you can see after rain what it happens. It's a lot of water, but yeah, it will all soon come to pass, and we are going to enjoy the rest of the year. Yeah, and we still need the water because we need to grow our fruits, food, and everything. So water is very necessary, and so rain is so necessary. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to comment, like, share, and if you think it's a good thing that you are always seeing me and you want to see me more, subscribe. Yeah. Thank you so much. Till the next one. Bye bye.